Tired of being glued to your Wix website, answering the same customer questions over and over? Let's fix that. First, log into your Wix account and go to the dashboard of the website you want to add the chatbot to. Next, on the left-hand side menu, find and click on the Apps section. This is where you can find and install various apps to enhance your website. Now, in the Wix App Market search bar, type chatbot and hit enter. You'll see a list of available chatbot apps. Browse through the options and select the chatbot app that best fits your needs. For this example, let's choose a popular one, like Tidio. Click on the Add to Site button. A permissions window will pop up. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Allow to grant the app access to your site. Now, you'll be redirected to the chatbot's setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your chatbot. This usually involves setting up automated responses, choosing a chatbot avatar, and customizing its appearance to match your brand. Pay close attention to customizing the welcome message and defining the initial questions the chatbot will ask. This will help guide your visitors and ensure they get the information they need quickly. Once you've configured your chatbot, preview your website to see it in action. You should see the chatbot icon in the corner of your screen. Test it out with some common customer questions to make sure it's working as expected. Finally, click the Publish button in the Wix editor to make your changes live and your AI chatbot available to your website visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added an AI chatbot to your Wix website.